Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I am here with your daily sneak peek for Francesca's Studio Works. Super excited to show you this one. It's a super cute one, okay? We have seen one by Makiko already, and here is another painting by Makiko. It's called Bearing Gifts, and it's this cute little bear. Look at him. He's got a gift. Look at all those red heart balloons. Super cute. Licensed through Art Licensing with Makiko for Francesca's Studio Works. This one is a cutie. It is a 40 by 53.3 centimeter. I like that. Nice size. A little 40 by 50. How cute. See, this is Makiko's square number 2, right? So if you need to identify it, it's there. It's on the sticker on the bottom of the box. It's on the canvas. It's on your drills. On every package of drills, you'll find that number. All right, are you ready to get into it? I mean, we've seen the box. The box is beautiful. This one came a little pre-opened for me. So let's get into it. I think it's gonna be adorable. I mean, you know I love me Makiko, right? Give me a Makiko any day. All right, here we go. Let's get it out. Like I said, I love the size of this one. I think the size is fantastic. All right. Okay. The dust bag. It's a nice thick dust bag. All branded. Everything is on point with branding. Let me tell you what. All right. Let's open her up. Let's get it out of here. All right. Here we go. So right off the bat. Wait, have I mentioned that there's glitter in the canvas? I think I have at some point. Can you see it? See the sparkles in there? Oh yeah, look at it sparkle. Look at all this. You like to color block? Here, let's do some color blocking. Get out those 15 placers, folks, and let's go to town. Here is the slogan at the bottom: artistry, craftsmanship, and beauty. And here is all of the licensing information and the sizing. Bearing Gifts. Love it. We've got the pinked edges so that the canvas won't fray, and it is the self-flattening soft lint canvas back. All right, okay, let's do this. Let's do it. I want to roll this back a little bit because I want it to lay flat for you. All right, I mean, I just said it's self-flattening, and it is. It's just we want it to do it quickly. We're impatient, right? We are impatient. Okay, there it is. There it is. We'll show it to you in a second. Okay, what else do we get? Yeah, all kinds of goodies inside. We get our instructional sheet. Everything is that beautiful purple branded logo everywhere. Love it. Okay, here is our soft fabric toolkit. Love it. Love that. And here's what comes inside. All the goodies. Let's show you the small stuff first. This will be what comes in future small kits. You'll get the smaller tray, the Mosfa boat, right? You will get your purple squishy. You will get baggies. You will get 2 multi-placers, a 4 and a 7 placer. And you will get this pen. This nice pen, brass tip on this end, the plastic angled tip on that end, and this pen needs a little adjustment. It looks like it's got some extra plastic on the end. We have to file that down or something. All right, and then all your kits will come with potted wax, white wax. My dog is over there getting into trouble. Okay. And the washi tape, the branded foiled washi tape with the logo on there. Love it. Okay. Then square kits will come with tweezers, these nice, beautiful purple tweezers with the brand on the end. And large kits will come with the large tray, which will stack. These can all stack and they connect together side to side as well. So that is the tools. And it's a super nice toolkit. I mean, everything was thought of here. Everything a diamond painter would like to have to work on their kits with. It is there. All right, let me go get this dog. And I returned from rescuing a cereal bag the dog was trying to get into. Oh boy. All right, here is our sticker sheet. This one's gonna be a cutie. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be easy. Love it. All right, so bearing gifts, the artist, here's your image, all of that licensing and sizing information. And this one has 27 different resin drills. Resin drills. Okay, let me point this out that all the drills are resin, including the ABs. It's just that the ABs have a coating on them. Okay, so they're all resin. And this one has 3 ABs. Always at the top, always numbers. This is 1, 2, and 3 are our ABs. These do come off individually. They're cut. They're peelable. Go right on your containers when you kit up. Love it. Okay, here it is. Isn't it cute? It's so stinking cute. Cute. I love it. What color do you think that background is? What do you think it is? Think it's white? What do you think it is? I think I know. I'm not telling. We'll look at the drills. But how cute is that, right? This little fluffy bear carrying his gift. So, I mean, this could be for any occasion. This would make a great gift for somebody's birthday or for any time at all. Isn't it adorable? We got our legend on both sides. This one is the reversed, branded at the top with the name, slogan, social medias are on the side, and all of the licensing information here at the bottom. I love this. It's adorable, right? What is not to love about that? It is so super cute. All right, we got to look at these drills. Got to look at these drills. Let's get them out. I know what symbol this is. I'll show it to you in a minute. You'll probably figure it out when I show you the drills. You'll probably figure it out. Okay, let's start here with this small little strip that's on its own right here. Okay, I'll zoom you in a little bit so you can see these up close. Alrighty, here we go. Here is 3865. That's our off-white. That's it, 3865. It's not that, right? A salmon color, 3756 is a little minty, little slight mint tone. Look at 3743. 3 bags of 3743. A pretty purple. I would not have thought there was that much purple in here, but there is. Okay, what's next? I'm trying not to get the strip with the ABs. I don't want the ABs yet. But that's that strip. Okay, so we'll go to this one. Here's our next selection. Here we go. 762, 815, 817. We have 3 bags. Of course we do. Look at the balloons, right? 819. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you know what the background is now, right? It's pink. Yes, all that background is pink. Isn't that going to be pretty? And it is such a pretty pink. This light pink. That whole background, pink. Love it. 893. Look at all the pinks. Look at the pinks. And then we get to rosier pinks. Love all of these. Love all the pinks. Love it. All right. You ready for some balloons? We're going to get to some balloon colors here. Here we go. Well, there's another 762. That makes 2 of those. But look at 666. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the 666. 1, 2, 3 of the 606. Hello, balloons, right? These are so pretty. Oh, look at all these grays. Light gray, darker gray, dark gray. 2 318s. Well, that's got to be our bear, of course, right? He's going to be all these pretty gray colors for our bear. and a little bit of black. We got nose and eyes, okay? 151 pink. Here's our ABs. There are 3. So we have this magenta, and we have 2 pinks. And you'll notice they're slightly different. This one is a lighter pink, and this one is more of a, I don't know, peachier pink. Not peachier, purplier pink. I don't know. They're different, though. See, they're different. So there's our 3 ABs. Okay, let's see where they all go. Now that we know the background is pink, which is awesome, I'm looking for 1, 2, and 3. And I'm just going to do them all at the same time. We're just going to scroll through this. So 2s are down here. That's the 1 pink. And they are in the bear. Like this little highlight there is pink. There are 1s and 3s in the gift. The pink kind of outlines his paw as well. Where else? Okay, in these highlights on the balloons, you see there's 1 and 2 in all of those little highlights. And then up here, we also have some 1s, which is like that purplier pink. Perfect placements, right? I mean, great job for the placement on those balloons where they're going to have that little shimmer. Great placement of ABs there. And then we got, like I said, we've got just some outlining here of a little pink. Outlining here. This is like outlining his legs, right? Around his legs. And then in the gift. Isn't it adorable? What do you think? Oh, I think it's super, super, super cute. Yes, I do. All right. So I hope you are following Francesca's Studio Works on Instagram and then follow on Facebook. They're posting all of the sneak peeks every day. After they come out, you will see them posted on both of those platforms. And Facebook is a good place to find out information if there's additional information coming your way from the company. So follow them there. Put things in your wish list if you're not able to purchase currently. If you want to come back, remember what you really liked, or just can't pull that trigger yet, put it on your wish list. That is great information for the company. They know what people are liking, even if they're not purchasing at the moment. And you never know, these might sell out, and that information can be very helpful as far as reordering goes. All right, so do all of those things so you stay up to date on all of the news. And until the next one, I mean, come on. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.